Hello everyone and welcome to the live live trading room recap for Wednesday, June the 28th. My name is Barry Anderson, the moderator of your room. This is the address to get in. This is the address to subscribe to Trade Ideas, and the room is open. I usually open around 8:45 Eastern Daylight Time and go to 3:30 p.m. I apologize. Yesterday I had some technical issues with the video, so it did not get out. Hopefully it'll be okay today. All right. Well, I actually had a few trades today. I am still in this one, ARNC. No, in fact, I forgot to get the chart up. Just 1 second, please. Okay, ARNC. This is a I'm not in from the Holly alert, but you can see there's the alert at 22:58. I waited on this pullback and then the break of the whole number. I'm in right at not quite here, 23:08. Almost took this little pop up here. I have an alert set if it does move back up. This one, of course, was hard hit. It may be just somebody actually posted in the room that the reason this is down, I mean, if you read the news on it, said that they knowingly supplied the cladding that was used in the fire in London, and now there are people out there kind of refuting that they supplied cladding, but it was based on not the use in that particular building. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see what happens. So I'm in this one right now. Just have to keep an eye on it. Now, what I want to show you is, this is one that some of us were in, EQT. I made a mistake on this one. Another Holly alert here, 5904, okay? Now, notice the time here. It's 10:30. And this is a energy play. Natural gas liquid extraction is in that sector. Now this was very, very whippy, and I got into the trade at 59:08. I like to wait for that whole number break. So I got into the trade right about here, and I was very fortunate. I took some off at 59:31, and then look, it popped. But wow, look at this big pop. Got all excited, and then the drop. This is on one candle. Okay, this is a 15-minute, but if I went to I'll even go to a 2-minute, hopefully. Yeah, you see, look at this. This is right at 10:30. See this candle here? Look at the bottoming tail. Look at the topping tail. So anyway, my mistake was I should never have been holding this stock at 10:30 because the oil numbers came out and really will affect this sector. And so I really should not have been in this stock at the time, because this is the sort of thing that can happen. I got whipped out. I was very lucky not to. I mean, I thought it was just collapsing, and then it just popped right back up. So anyway, just thought I'd bring that to your attention. Kind of what I would call a rookie mistake. You should know, when housing numbers come out, or gas numbers come out. If you're in one of those plays, you should be aware of it. And I just really I just kind of forgot about it and I didn't do it. I was a few other ones. Yeah, I don't really feel like going. Actually, this is one that I got out of SYY. See, it sort of popped a little bit. Wow. Oh, that's too bad. It's crazy. I got out of it. The alert was at 49.76. Waited for it to break over the whole number at 50. Didn't quite like the way it was trading, and decided, because I was doing the video, to be honest, and I thought, this is the type of stock that can really drop quickly also. So I got in at 50.07 and I took myself out at 50, just a small loss, because I said, oh, I'm going to do this video. And I decided I got out of the SYY and I bought this one. So anyway, the SYY looks like it still might have been the better choice. We'll see. That was a nice pop. What else do we have here? You know what? That's about it. I want to get back into the room. CBI actually is something I don't normally do. I actually bought this in the pre-market. This was, of course, was the crazy one from yesterday. Fantastic trade for a lot of people. I got into this one twice actually for a couple of scalps, and now it's it's hard to say what's going to happen with this, but I think a news report came out. I believe the reason this popped, you'd have to look at the news, it was they had some kind of a $2 billion settlement. And then I think some news came out that the settlement wasn't quite as much as $2 billion. I don't know. I didn't really read it. But anyway, this is still pretty active. This is one that I am into, NXTM. I think I'm in at around 25, 26. I did sell some up here. The reason this sort of bothered me because yesterday, if you were in the room, you know that I was watching this one. I wanted to you take a look at the daily on this and look at the potential void fill that we have. And the problem with it is that, and I'm surprised it's not, oh, there it is. Yeah, so there's the price, 25.41. There we go, 25.41. That line there represents the 200-day moving average. So I kind of just hemmed and hawed when it was moving up, and I didn't take it, and I just couldn't stand it. So I took a bunch here and I sold some. So now I'll have to wait to see whether or not I do want to hold this. If it pops through that 200-day, there's a good possibility that I'll hold it because take a look at the potential void fill. If it doesn't pop through, I'll probably sell what I have and then wait on it tomorrow to see if it does make it through. This time I will definitely put an alert on it also, not just the other. Now this is the other one that a lot of people are in. Made a big mistake. This one was super active yesterday. We're all watching it, and this line there represents the 200-day. Look what happened. It popped over it, and then it just closed down underneath it, gave up to this morning. It looked like it was going to really move down. And then I forgot to set an alert at the 200-day. And that was definitely my mistake because look what it did from once it really popped through that 200-day. I mean, that's at $2.16. This is $3.20 now. So big mistake. Not only that, I mean, that's a fantastic percentage move. So just an oversight by myself not to set the alert, the price alert. Otherwise, I certainly would have known about it. I have to take that off. That's hard. That is just one hard chart to watch without my not being in it. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for listening. Again, I hope this the technical problems we had yesterday, I hope this gets out. This is the address to get into the room. Here's how you can subscribe to Trade Ideas. Just so you know, if you took everything we have, our premium service, it would be $4.40 a day on an annual basis. You can use that link to subscribe. There's a promo code there. And again, I open the room at 8:45, so 45 minutes before the market opens. That's when we really start looking at all the movers, shakers and movers in the pre-market and try to determine whether or not some of them might continue trending once the market opens. And I shut down around 3:30. All right, thanks very much for listening, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.